Hello, I'm Steve Locke with Locke Buildings. Today we're going to learn how to set poles for a pole building. Before starting, please make sure to review your plans. Before setting posts, double check the string line measurement, including the cross measurements both ways. With marking paint, you want to mark the ground with the size posts and length at each hole. You also want to mark your posts with the length. This will help you when it comes to setting the poles in the correct holes. It helps with compaction of rock to fill the holes with water. Depending on the size of the post caps you have for raising the roof, you may need to notch the posts. There are several ways to move posts. Our preferred way is to use our loader. Be careful not to drop posts. Dropping posts can break them. Once the posts are laid out by the holes, you're ready to raise them. You want to have a 2x6 on the back side of the hole. This helps posts slide down the hole. When raising the posts, make sure everyone is clear, just in case the post slipped off the bucket. After the posts are set in the holes, you're ready to set your first pole. The first pole you set are the corners. When setting and backfilling the posts with rock, you'll want to use a 4x4 or a steel tamper for packing the rock around the posts. Once you have the posts level, you'll want to confirm that it's not touching the string. You want to maintain a very minimum space between the string and the post. You should be able to see a little bit of light. Once the post is level, you're ready to backfill with rock. Place 6 to 8 inches of rock and compact. Repeat process until the hole is full. Make sure you're always checking that the post is level. After setting the corner posts, you're ready to mark out the interior posts. Hook the tape to the outside of the corner post. Using a Sharpie, mark both sides of the post on the string. For example, if the post is 12 foot on center, you would want to mark it at 11 foot 9 and 10 foot 3. This way, when you're setting the post, you have marks on each side. There's two options when setting posts with concrete backfill. Number one, you could brace off an existing post that has rock backfill. Number two, you would have to have 2 braces on each pole to support that pole. Placing walk-door posts need to be accurate, particularly the inside diameter between the 2 posts. Make sure to take time to assure that your posts are set correctly and are level. After all the posts are set, you'll want to mark hub marks. Hub marks are lines that will be put on every pole that are all the same level. You will use a laser and mark each post. This will be essential when it comes to building your pole building later. Now that we've set all our posts, you're ready to build your roof system, setting the trusses and purlins. If you're interested in purchasing a kit, more tutorials, or general information, visit our website